Good morning, students. Today we shall talk about some national ports of India. India has a coastline of 7,517 km with 12 major ports. Coastline means where land meets the sea or ocean. Port provide an interface between the ocean transport and land-based transport. So this is the map of India in which I locate um, port of India. So first of all we will talk about Kolkata port. Kolkata port, officially known as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee port. Kolkata port is the only riverine major port in India, having an existence of about 130 years. It has a vast hinterland comprising the entire eastern India, including West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, MP, Assam, Northeast Hill State, and the two landlocked neighboring countries, namely Nepal and Bhutan. So, in the map, you can see the location of Kolkata. Now, next is Paradip Port. So, Paradip Port is located in Odisha. Here, this is Odisha, and in Odisha, Paradip Port is situated. So, Paradip Port is a natural deep water port on the east coast of India. The Government of India took over the management of port from the state government on 1st June 1965. Next is New Mangalore Port. So New Mangalore Port is located in Karnataka. Here you can see here. So this is Mangalore Port. New Mangalore Port was declared as the 9th major port on 4th May 1974 and was formally inaugurated on 11th January 1975. The major commodities imported through the port was POL crude. What is the meaning of POL? POL stands for petroleum, oil and lubricant. For Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, coal, iron, ore fines, LPG and fertilizer. So now we will talk about Cochin Port. So Cochin Port is situated in कहाँ पे है? केरल में. So here you can see this is. So the modern port of Cochin was developed during the period 1920 to 1940 due to the untiring effort of Sir Robert Bristow. The port of Cochin is located on the Wellington Island on the southwest coast of India, about 930 km south of Mumbai and 320 km north of Kanyakumari. So next is Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is also known as Nhava Sheva. In here. It is located in Mumbai here. This is Nhava Sheva. So it is located in Mumbai. It is constructed in the mid 1980s and commissioned on 26th May 1989. Jawaharlal Nehru Port has come a long way by becoming a world-class international container handling port. जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट सबसे पहला और सबसे बड़ा इंटरनेशनल कंटेनर हैंडलिंग पोर्ट है. Here this type of container you can see है ना. सबसे बड़ा जो पोर्ट है कंटेनर हैंडलिंग वाला, that is जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट. So after Jawaharlal Nehru Port we will read about Mumbai Port. So Mumbai Port is the second oldest major port in India after Kolkata It is situated almost midway on the west coast of India. The port has long been the principal gateway of India. ये एक कैसा पोर्ट है? नेचुरल पोर्ट है एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिजी पोर्ट भी है ये. नेक्स्ट इज Kamraj Port. So Kamraj Port is also known as Ennore Port and located in Chennai. So in the map you can see this one Ennore map Ennore Port जो लिखा हुआ है, this is the Kamraj Port. Kamraj Port Limited, the 12th major port under the Ministry of Shipping, was commissioned in 2001 primarily as a coal port. मतलब पहले इसका यूज किया जाता था केवल कोल सप्लाई करने के लिए. तमिलनाडु इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड में जो कोल की रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको सप्लाई करने के लिए इस पोर्ट का यूज किया जाता था. बाद में क्या हुआ कि ये जो चेन्नई पोर्ट है, इसके नीचे आप ये देख सकते हो चेन्नई पोर्ट, इसके पास वर्कलोड बहुत था और वर्कलोड भी बहुत था और ज़्यादा वर्कलोड होने के कारण यहाँ पे पॉल्यूशन भी, सी पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था. तो इसका काम कम करने के लिए यहाँ पे एक एन्नोर पोर्ट डेवलप किया गया. अभी ऐसा है कि एट प्रेजेंट दिस इज़ द ओनली कॉर्पोरेटेड पोर्ट इन इंडिया. ओके, ये जो हमारा एन्नोर पोर्ट है, दिस इज़ द कॉर्पोरेटेड पोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सो नेक्स्ट इज चेन्नई पोर्ट. सो चेन्नई पोर्ट फॉर्मली नोन एज मद्रास पोर्ट, पहले इसको मद्रास पोर्ट बोलते थे. सो इट इज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कंटेनर पोर्ट. पहला कौन सा था कंटेनर पोर्ट? ये जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट. और सेकेंड कौन सा है? दिस वन, चेन्नई पोर्ट. सो चेन्नई पोर्ट इज़ एन ऑल वेदर आर्टिफिशियल हार्बर विद द वन आउटर हार्बर एंड वन इनर हार्बर with a bed dock and boat basin with round-the-clock navigation facilities. The port was established in 1875, located in the Bay of Bengal. So next is Mormugao Port. Mormugao Port is located in Goa. Okay, in map you can see here. दिस वन, ये पणजी लिखा हुआ है, ये मोरुगांव पोर्ट. मोरुगांव पोर्ट situated on the west coast of India is more than a century old port. It has modern infrastructure capable of handling a wide variety of cargo. It is a natural harbor protected by a breakwater and also by a mole. The port has excellent infrastructure and a conducive work culture. So this is about the Mormugao Port. Now we will talk about B.O. Chidambarar Port Trust. So here this one, so this port is located on the southeastern coast of India in the Gulf of Mannar. Formerly it was known as Tuticorin Port. The port is well sheltered from the fury of storms and cyclonic winds and is operational round the clock all through the year. Next is Kandla Port. So Kandla Port is located in Gujarat. Here you can see this one, Kandla. So Kandla Port Trust has been renamed as Deen Dayal Port Trust with effect from 25th September 2017. Kandla Port was established in the year 1950 as a central government project and union government took over Kandla for its development as a major port. The port received the Samudra Manthan Award for the best major port of the year 2015. लास्ट वन इज विशाखापट्टनम पोर्ट ट्रस्ट, ये तो बहुत फेमस है. सो इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन आंध्र प्रदेश. सो पोर्ट ऑफ विशाखापट्टनम, our natural harbor, is located almost between Kolkata and Chennai on the east coast of India. The port has mechanism handling facilities for iron ore, iron pellets, alumina, fertilizer, raw material, crude oil and POL products, liquid ammonia, phosphoric acid, edible oil, caustic soda and other liquid cargoes. So I hope you understand this. So that's all for today. Thank you.